Meaning of iconic.
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 Iconic. Iconic refers to something that is widely recognized and has achieved a high level of status or significance due to its cultural or historical importance. It can refer to a person, object, or idea that is considered to be a classic or representative example of something. When something is iconic, it is often associated with quality, enduring popularity, and a sense of timelessness. Examples of iconic figures include Marilyn Monroe and Elvis Presley, while iconic objects might include the Eiffel Tower or the Coca-Cola logo. Overall, iconic is a term used to describe things that have a lasting impact on popular culture and society as a whole.